Making a blog in Wix using the phone is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the Wix application on your mobile device. Now tap on the ad in the middle of your screen. Next, tap on Blog Post. Here, you can create a post. First, enter the title. You can write anything you want. Then, tap on the plus icon. Here, you can find options like image, gallery, divider, video, and GIF. Now, if you tap on poll, here you can choose a poll type. You can ask your question. For example, I'm asking what should we launch? Then I'm going to give two options, bags or shoes. Next, tap on create, and your poll will be created. Now, again, go to the plus icon to explore different options. Here, you can start writing your post. You can write anything. You can edit the text using the given tools. Then, tap on the copy link icon. Here, you can add the URL or link. You can find more options in the middle of your screen. Then tap on Next. Here, you can find the settings for your post. You can save it as a draft. Then, you can save and publish.